some other flood-prone counties. The government is assisting the displaced families by providing immediate relief through the State Department for Special Programs and partners like Kenya Red Cross by providing temporary shelters in churches, in schools, and neighboring homes, as well as providing tents. The State Department for Special Program also is distributing food and non-food items, as well as hygiene kits to the affected households across the country. The government has directed all sub-counties to establish public information desks, emergency response centers, and rapid response stations for direct assistance. Deputy county commissioners are coordinating house-on-level support on the ground at sub-county levels. We have infrastructure that has been affected by the floods. This critical infrastructure has taken heavy hit. Roads, bridges have been damaged in multiple counties, including Wote Emari Road and Chameru Bridge in Makueni County. Erena Bridge in Kanjiando. Kabare Kiranga Bridge in Kirinyaga County. Kemama Bridge in Bungoma County. River Migori Bridge in Migori County. Major Nairobi routes like Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway, Rangata Road, Mpaka Road in Parklands, and Kangundo Road have also, to some extent, been affected. However, with interventions of the various agencies from the national government and Nairobi County government, normalcy has been progressively restored. The national government is working with Nairobi County government to unclog the drainage system to open the waterways